party people. Look what came in. You see the headband? It's about to get serious.
I'm always so happy when I see the little pink box at my door.
Says Kylash Volume Mascara. Open this bad boy up. Cute. Nice. It feels the packaging feels very expensive. This is the most luxurious feeling mascara I've ever had. Here we go.
It gives like a wispy effect. I think that's what she said. Wow. My eyelashes never look like this, by the way. Never off mascara. It definitely gives it like a unique shape, I think. I also don't apply a lot. Like, I'm very light-handed with mascara because I hate taking it off. I'm trying to be better for this video. Okay, and then this is the non-curled side. I feel like the wand is bigger than what I'm used to, for sure. But my lashes genuinely have never looked this long from mascara. So, it's definitely worth it to me. But holy cow, you guys, I don't have eyelashes like this. I feel like I'm like catfishing myself. Somehow. I never do these inner ones. I mean, okay, so this is the curled eyelash, and this is the non-curled eyelash.
I really feel like it looks like I have on eyelashes right now. I don't know if you can tell, but just trust me when I say I've never, ever, ever in my life looked like this with just mascara on. But it's definitely buildable as well. And I really like the color. Like, I'm amazed right now that I can see my eyelashes this much. I've never experienced this. I will never be using another mascara ever. I usually use the Sky High by Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I love this. This was my go-to. I did not buy anything else other than this for years, so this is like a huge step up for me, but the price was $24 for this.
This was the very first thing I've ever been able to get on the launch day, because I am a Kylie girl. Like, I have probably every single product that exists by her. That's all I use, and it's been like that since she came out with it, you know, with the lip kits and everything. Like, it launched at 9 a.m. California time, which was noon Eastern time. Or, sorry, I thought it was noon, and then that's when it said product unavailable, but it came out at 1, and I got it at 12:59. So I low-key think I was the first customer. Wish it was. Everything that you have.
If I were you, I'd run to get it, but don't make it sell out because I will cry. Everything that I want is always sold out of her stuff. This was the unboxing. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for next time.